Morning. We off to school?
Yes, I have a baseball game today.
Yes, you do.
And tomorrow we don't have school. Look at me.
Yep, on unused snow day.
Look at me. And the other day. Look at me.
Yep.
And the other day.
Yeah, you don't have a school tomorrow?
And do we have a whole week off?
No, but you have Friday off, and then you have Monday off for Memorial Day, and then you have Tuesday off because of an unused snow day.
Yay.
Yeah. So you got a 5-day weekend.
Yay.
All right, off to school.
Yep.
Okay, we ready to go in?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Okay, so we're heading to go get Charlie from school. I hope you guys have been having a great day so far, and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so we just picked up Charlie from school, and now we're off to do a few errands and possibly a little RAE DUNN hunting if we have time. So that's where we're off to. Did you have a good day at school? Did you have a good day? Yeah? Okay, and we're off. Do you want to go RAE DUNN hunting? Yeah. Okay, Charlie, you ready? Stay with Mommy. You ready? Here we go. Done shopping, and I just wanted to remind you guys, make sure you check out the link up above. I have my RAE DUNN giveaway going on, and I hope you enjoyed my hunting. I did not purchase any RAE DUNN, surprisingly. I didn't see anything exactly that I wanted, so I decided not to purchase anything. But now we're heading home to go get Sam off the bus. What did you get because you were a good girl?
Chicken nuggets.
What?
Chicken nuggets.
You got some chicken nuggets from McDonald's. You were such a good...
And French fries.
Yep, you were such a good little shopper. Such a big help. So you got McDonald's. Okay, let's go home.
Friends, go away.
We want Sam to be able to have her game. Oh my goodness. I hope this rain stops so that she can have her game tonight. Is it raining? How was your day at school?
It's not raining.
Hopefully it stops before your game.
It doesn't feel well, it's sprinkling.
Yeah, so maybe they'll still do it. Okay. How was your day?
Good.
Good. Okay, so we're off to Sam's baseball game. And she's so excited. Who's going to be there?
Mom, Papa, and my brother.
Yay, to watch your game?
Yeah.
That's so exciting. It is drizzling just a teeny little bit, so hopefully it just stays like that or it stops. Okay, and we're off. Are you ready to play baseball?
Yeah.
It looks like the weather's gonna hold. Yay!
It's gonna rain soon, so I got this fella.
I don't think it's gonna rain, and we're not hoping for it to rain.
I want this one.
Yay! Are you excited?
Watch this.
Don't hurt yourself before your game.
I won't.
Go. You gotta go over to the dugout with Daddy.
See what this is.
You might want somebody. I don't know. It's too heavy.
Oh, won't this look nice on our backyard, Mama? And it's got everybody's
Handprints and
Charlie,
footprint
Oh,
for
that
Zane.
is precious. Thank you very much. I love that.
That's cool.
So nice.
You take it out of that thing. I just figured
Yes,
it's easier to
right,
carry it
carry
in
it.
that.
That's going to Ohio. Thank you. I love that.
Sam, who came to your game? Yay! Woo! So exciting. Are you excited about Sissy's game? Even though it's a little rainy? Yeah. Zane, are you excited? Shortstop.
Everybody ready?
Sam, you can do this.
Ready? Here we go.
Are we having fun?
Yes.
Are you Papa and
There's
everybody
a playground
here?
here.
It's rainy, but we're having fun.
There's a playground here.
One more batter. Watch it hit the bat.
Where are we throwing the ball when we stop the ball? Ready?
Okay, good job. Okay, good job, Sam. You got this.
Nice swing. Nice swing.
That was a good swing, Sam.
Oh, good job, Sam. Who's got you? Who's got you? Does Mommy have you? Zane. Hey, buddy. Zane. Zane. See Mama over here. Buddy. As soon as I come over here. Hi. Hey.
No, I can go, Mama. I'll go, Mommy.
I'll go up. I'll go up. Look how pretty it is from up here. The mountains in the background.
Mama, do you see that thing that you can climb up? That little green thing?
Good job. Good job. Hey.
Little help.
Who's got you? Huh? Who's got you? Huh? There it is.
Crying the ball.
Go ahead, put it up. We'll see you next time,
We all got ice cream. Yay. How's it, Dad? Is it good, Sam? Woo! What do you think, Zane? Is it good? Yeah.